Hi guys, I'm ASHISH KAMBLE. Today we are going to talk about a very good travel tripod which is compact, lightweight and has really good features, which also comes bundled with a very high quality low profile ball head. As an educator, one of the most frequently asked questions that I come across is which is the best travel tripod? After using multiple tripods by different brands, I have shortlisted Leofoto LS-324C as one of the best travel tripod because of the build quality and the features it offers for the price you guys are paying. Now, whenever we shortlist a travel tripod, there are three main factors which you need to consider. First is the build quality, second is the compactness, and third, the features it offers. Now, let's begin with the build quality. The tripod legs are made from high-grade 10-layer carbon fiber tubes, which gives it better strength and stability. All other solid parts like angle locks, the spider, are made from high-grade aluminum alloy. When you hold the tripod, it feels premium because of the excellent craftsmanship. And the total payload capacity of this tripod is 15 kilograms, which is quite remarkable for a travel tripod. And as this is a carbon fiber tripod, the total weight of the tripod is only 1.8 kilograms. As we know, majority of the airline companies these days don't allow you to carry the tripod inside the cabin bag. So if you want to carry the tripod, you have to carry it inside the check-in bag. And if you want to carry it inside the check-in bag, it means you really require a compact tripod. So Leofoto LS-324C has no center column compact design. Because of this, the total diameter of the tripod is only 3.8 inches. Because of this design, the legs don't spread out and it fits snug on your camera bag. When you fold the tripod legs completely, the total length of the tripod is only 22.4 inches, which makes it perfect for a medium-sized check-in bag. One of my favorite features of this tripod are this twist lock. Just a quarter turn, you can unlock or lock it. This makes the overall setup experience very quick and easy. When you extend the tripod completely, the total length of the tripod is around 4.75 feet. And if you want to extend it higher, it comes with an additional center column, which helps to increase the height by 1 foot. The lowest height of this tripod from the ground level is only 6.7 inches. The tripod is equipped with semi-automatic angle locks, which means you simply have to push it inwards to lock it on the lower angles. This saves a lot of time when you are photographing on field. When you are shooting on rough terrain, you cannot use the rubber foot. So this tripod comes with an additional set of steel spikes which can be used on rough terrain. As I mentioned earlier, the tripod comes with a very high quality low profile ball head, Leofoto LH-40. And the payload capacity of this ball head is around 20 kilograms. The ball head has universal Arca-Swiss QR plate, which increases the compatibility option with other accessories. It also has dual drop notches if you want to click vertical shots. LH-40 has three control knobs: main locking knob, tension release knob, and third, panning knob. Main locking knob is used to lock or unlock the movement of the ball. This is tension release knob. It controls the smoothness or friction of ball movement. If you loosen this, the ball will move very smoothly. This is panning knob. Leofoto LH-40 is equipped with a very precise 360-degree panorama base, and the degree numbers are laser engraved. What I really liked about Leofoto LS-324C is the compactness, the features, and excellent craftsmanship. I have personally used this tripod on field without any complaints. So if you're a photographer looking for a tripod for your indoor or outdoor photography, I will highly recommend Leofoto LS-324C.